this week I'm gonna be doing a vlog, so welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah Daniela and we need to get our life together, so that's what we'll be doing. Right now it is 9 a.m. And in this vlog I'll be working out with you, I'll be cleaning my room up a bit, and also just getting some work done and some studying. So come along with me for a chill day. I'm gonna get ready for the gym, so I'm just gonna do a quick hairstyle, and I'm watching a YouTube video right now because I find that helps me get motivated when I don't really feel like doing the things that I know I should. And then for the rest of the day, I have a class today, and then I have another class, but it's like my late class, so I don't really think I will go to that, and instead I'm just gonna start watching the lecture videos because I think it takes a long time to go and it ends at 9 p.m, which then would always just kind of mess up my sleeping. And I think maybe I'll go like every other week. But this week I do need to start getting kind of my routines down, and I want to make my vision board. I am going to go to school, like the school gym, and I'll probably do just like a cardio workout, I think. So I'm gonna finish doing my hair now while I watch my YouTube video. I got from
almost really soft kind of activewear fabric in a way, but I also like that even though it is...
Okay, I'm done my just like hair and everything. Now I'm just gonna put on my gym fit. Okay, we are ready for the gym. So I just went like all black, like these little shorts, and then I have this jacket, and this is all Lululemon because that is my favorite. I don't know if you guys can see me, but yes, I will be going to the gym, and then I'll see you guys later today, probably for our vision board night. Hi girls, it's around 12:30 now, and I'm just gonna meal prep some meals from today's Thursday, so Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday probably. And I'm just gonna make what I usually make, which is just like a fajita enchilada casserole. It's really easy to make. That is pretty much what I'm gonna do now for the rest of like my hour, and I'm probably just gonna put some music on while I do this. So I finished my meal prep, and then now I think I'm just gonna get ready for the day. So I have a class at 2 p.m. or sorry, 3:30, and it's 2:14. So I have like about 40 minutes to get ready-ish. And today's the first day I'm going to the class, but I'm just gonna do my makeup while I talk to you guys. But yeah, I have about like 40 minutes before my class, and I haven't been to this class yet because I'm still deciding between taking this class and then another one, but I'm not sure if I'd rather have like just put all of my classes on like 3 days basically, but I don't know what's better. And I always start the semester, I'm super bad with planning my class schedule, and I always end up not knowing which classes I'm doing and always switching them. But honestly, it doesn't stress me out as much as it used to, because I'd always forget to sign up on the day for registration, so all my classes would be full. But I mean, if that ever happens to you, then just like know that you'll probably get in unless it's like crazy, but like just keep checking and you'll honestly probably get in. I've done this with literally almost every class I've ever taken. But yeah, I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup and then I will show you my vision board that I'm making.
Budget tracker before, but I'm going to download this now. There's literally a free template, so no excuses. Okay, I am obsessed with this. I can't believe this was.
Hi girls. Okay, so it's Friday night and it is 7:20 p.m. right now, and basically I got home and then I watched like 2 hours of Gossip Girl, which I personally love, but now I thought that I should film a bit because no one is home. But I finished making my vision board. I cut out all the pictures. It's like on the wall behind me. And I'm so excited. I actually feel a lot more motivated. And honestly, if you want to like have motivation, I would make a vision board and make sure that you print it out and like put it where you can see every day, and then just like, I don't know, just the like physical element of having it there is like such a good reminder. And like, I don't know, when I look at mine, I just think about like, if all those things come true, like it would just mean so much to me. And yeah, I just did one for this year. I used to have one that was like my 5-year kind of goals, but I feel like this is more focused in on just what I want this year to happen. But I have half of a lecture to get through, which is my night lecture yesterday, which I didn't end up going to. So I'm gonna try to finish that. I did go to the library a bit after class. Just worked on my personal training course, which is going good. I just need to finish it in like 2 weeks because then I have my test and then I have an interview. So I want to make sure that I get that done. But I'll talk to you guys either when I'm done this. I'll probably just take a shower, kind of do my night routine, because tomorrow I have my lab from 10 till 4 p.m. But I'm gonna start on this lecture. So I'll see you guys in a bit.